Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nilesh. So today you are only one.
Sir is waiting for another students. And talk to sir. Talk to sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Arpita. When students become lazy, sometimes teachers also become lazy. So nobody was asking for login ID and all. I was also passing my time. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to have our third session of batch 2. Fine. In the first session, we discussed about the overview of France. Important tourist places, that museum, cycling race, French bread, snail. We also went through few phrases which are popular in France. In the second session, we discussed about alphabet. And same few phrases also we have discussed. And now in this third session, we will try to make words from those letters. What we have learned in alphabet, now we will make words out of it. So this one, who will tell me which monument is this? Which building is this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Musée du Louvre.
correct. This is Musée du Louvre. Louvre Museum of France, one of the best museum in the world. Day 3. Now I have a few important facts which we should know about France. So the first one is Bienvenue of France. Welcome to France. The name France was taken from the Latin word of Francia, which means the country of the Franks. Frank का मतलब होता है जो बहुत ही open है, frank है. He or she can easily interact, keep his her views. उसको बोलते हैं frank. तो frank से लिया गया है France. Now I am the tallest structure in France. Nilesh, क्या आंसर है इसका? I am the tallest structure in France. फ्रांस का सबसे ऊंचा स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग, सबसे ऊंचा
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Very good. Now this next question for Arpita. I was the emperor of France.
Napoleon Bonaparte, sir.
Napoleon Bonaparte. Now the next question I have not discussed in the class. Let me see if you can answer. I am a beautiful river in France. I pass through Paris. This I have not discussed. So I will not expect answer also from you. The answer is Seine. S-E-I-N-E. Seine river is very beautiful. It passes through Paris. The next one is for Nilesh. I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside. The French love to eat me. Nilesh, what is this?
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
My voice is not coming properly. Now it's okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
okay. So I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside. The French love to eat me. Nilesh, what is this?
What, sir?
The last line, I am long and thin.
I'm long in.
And thin.
Long and thin.
Just check. First column, last sentence.
Me. So, here is the Eiffel Tower. I am the tallest structure in France.
That is number 2. I am asking last one. Same column, last one.
I am long and thin, hard outside and soft inside. The French love to eat me.
Yes. What is this?
Hexagon.
No.
Hexagon.
No. Arpita?
French bread, sir.
Yes, sir. Dark bread.
What is the name?
Sir, what?
Baguette. Baguette.
Baguette.
Baguette. The
Baguette.
next one is for Shivangi. I am the most important city in France. I shelter the Eiffel Tower and many other monuments.
Paris.
Yes. The next one is for Arpita. I am the French flag, have 3 colors. So French flag in France, in French, sorry.
Yes, sir. Drapeau Francis.
Drapeau français. Drapeau français. Okay. Now we have drapeau français. We have discussed les salutations, means how to greet, bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit and all. And l'alphabet, we will pronounce it l'alphabet because L and A will combine, l'alphabet. Now see, there are again few French words and phrases. Bonjour, you all know. What is bonjour meaning?
Good
Any-
morning.
Bonjour, sir, or bonjour.
Bonjour.
Good
Ra nahi hai sound. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arpita, what is the meaning?
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, good day, दोनों के लिए है. Salut. Nilesh, Salyu.
Yes.
Hi.
Tell you hi.
Hi. Kamosawa, Shivangi.
How are you?
Next, Arpita, Bonsua.
Good evening.
Okay, Nilesh, Sawa.
What, sir?
Sawa, next. Don't ask me. उसके बाद वाला देखो. Next one.
Mhm.
Sava. Oh, Sava.
Sawa also is.
Sava,
How are you?
How are you? Okay, next, Shivangi.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Welcome.
Bienvenue, welcome. Okay, next, Arpita.
Salyu, como sava? Hi, how are you?
Very good. Next, Nilesh. Next.
No, north.
ये कहाँ चला गया भाई?
Last one.
Last
Bonjour,
one,
como
Nilesh. यहाँ देखो, last one. See the screen. Salyu के बाद क्या है? Salyu Kamosawa.
Salyu.
Salyu Kamosawa के बाद last
हाँ.
line.
Kamosawa.
उसके बाद वाला.
Kamosawa.
तुम क्या देख रहे हो भाई नीलेश?
सर आई थिंक वो स्क्रीन उसके पे शेयर नहीं हो रही है क्या?
कैसे होगा? शिवांगी, आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन?
Yes,
ये
sir.
सर मुझे
हाँ, दोनों को दिख रहा है, मतलब कि नीलेश आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या लिखा है स्क्रीन पे? एप्रोन लो फ्रांसे. एप्रोन लो फ्रांसे में जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है उसके लास्ट में क्या लिखा हुआ है?
First column.
फर्स्ट कॉलम लेफ्ट कॉलम के सबसे नीचे. ओके, इतना टाइम तो हमारे पास नहीं है. अर्पिता, लास्ट वन.
यस bonjour, como allez-vous?
वेरी गुड.
Right, sir? Good morning. How are you?
फॉर एल्डर्स.
Yes, sir, for elders.
Okay. Now you see the right hand side, the right column is having all the answers. Sawa means Sawa can be question also and Sawa can be answer also.
Answer.
Sawa Bia
Yes, sir.
is I am fine. And Sawa Mal means I am not fine. I am bad. Pa Mal, not bad. Sometimes if someone asks us, ki, how are you? Not bad. Not bad. So for not bad, we have pa mal. And then you have kamsi kamsa. Shivangi, kamsi kamsa. What is it?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. And the last one, Arpita, sawa biya.
Yes, sir. Sir, ça va bien, merci.
Means
I'm okay, thank you.
I am good.
Very
I'm fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you.
Okay.
So biya is for good, fine, all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, these all are for saying goodbye. Okay, first, Arpita, the first one. Handle, क्या है?
Revoir.
Au
Revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir means
Goodbye.
goodbye. Nilesh, next line क्या है? Au revoir के बाद?
Boni nui.
It is a ban nui. Ban nui. Ban nui. मतलब क्या होता है, निलेश?
Banui.
हाँ.
Banui means
Ban nui means good night.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one,
Good night.
Shivangi.
Abhiyanto.
What is the meaning?
Goodbye.
Abhyanto.
See you
See you
later.
soon.
Huh?
See you soon.
See you soon. Yeah, see you later.
Yes, sir.
See you
Sir,
soon.
see you soon.
Okay, see you soon.
later.
Adamo, who will tell me?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. And
Yes.
the last one, a tutler. A tutler.
See you very soon.
Yes.
See you very soon.
Yes.
Very soon. Means the moment we know that we
Yes.
are going to meet the same day after some time, then a tutler. We are going to meet soon. Abhyanto is a formal thing, means we will meet. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe soon. But Atutlar means we are going to meet the same day. Okay, now these are the alphabet with one word out of it. Okay, and only you have to take care of R. Otherwise, all are okay. R is tough. So the first one, Arpita, try to pronounce.
Sir, it means airport.
And the word is aeroport.
Airport.
रॉ में हल्का सा ख का साउंड
Sound आता है.
साउंड
Yes,
आता है.
sir.
सो aeroport. सेकंड वन
Yes, sir.
नीलेश, बी से क्या है? आ बे.
B.
हाँ, दिख रहा है?
B.
It's bebe. It's
Bebe.
bebe means baby, छोटा बच्चा. सी
Baby.
शिवांगी, फटाफट चलते जाओ.
Coca.
Coca means it's cola. For cola, Coca-Cola, it is Coca. Next, Arpita.
Sir. Dendong. It's a
Dendong
type
means
of bird.
it's turkey. Turkey bird.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Turkey bird.
Next, Nilesh.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Elephant.
it's elephant. E पे भी accent है.
Elephant.
दोनों E पे है तो ele. Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant means elephant.
Elephant. Next one is Shivangi.
It's fromage. Cheese.
Fromage. Fromage.
Fromage.
Fromage. Because A का है ना, A sound है. Fromage. Okay, next Arpita.
Giraffe.
Giraffe, same thing. Nilesh, next.
Hippo.
It's Ibu. Ibu, because H का sound तो है नहीं. Ibu. Ibu का मतलब क्या हुआ निलेश?
Hippo means hippo.
देखो बगल में क्या लिखा है, दिख रहा है.
No.
Ibu. ए भाई तो बहुत क्लियर पिक्चर है. The picture is very clear.
Yes, sir.
Ibu is
Owl.
Hippo is
owl.
owl.
Next one is Shivangi.
Igloo.
Igloo, and we all know the same in English. Next one, Arpita.
Yes. Jaguar.
Jaguar. What is that? The same thing in English also. In English also we have this
Yes,
word.
sir.
Okay. The next
Yes.
one, Nilesh.
Yes, sir.
Next one,
Kangaroo.
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 है ना, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay. Next is Shivangi.
Leon.
Leon is lion. Same thing. Okay. Next is Arpita.
Sir, meal.
Meal.
Meal. Okay, sir.
And what it looks like?
Meal.
What is it?
Sir, honey.
Honey. Yes. Next one is Nilesh.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one? Nid.
Nid.
दौ नहीं है, दौ होता है.
Nid.
Nid मतलब क्या हुआ?
Nid means the baby of bird.
नहीं. It is nest. घोंसला. Nest. Nid is
Nest.
nest. Shivangi, next.
Nest.
It's Ozu.
Uizo. Uizo मतलब Shivangi meaning
Bird.
bird. Very good. Arpita, next.
Parakeet. It
Parakeet.
means parrot.
Parrot. Okay. Next one is Nilesh. The last one.
Q.
It is k. That's it. There is no other sound. In English, we call it q, but in French, it is k. And k means what it looks like?
It looks like mouse.
No. So my mouse is holding its tail. So k is tail. And now you can relate because k is tail in French. So q मतलब क्या होता है? एक की पूंछ के पीछे दूसरा. We stand behind each other. So the same
Yes,
word
sir.
has been taken for Q. It's K.
Q. Skirt.
Shivangi, next.
Rose.
Rose. It's same. Arpita, next one.
Swans.
Swans means
Monkey.
monkey. Okay. Next one is Nilesh.
Tiger. Tigri.
Tigre. टॉ नहीं होता है, टॉ और डॉ नहीं है. So tigre because e पे accent भी नहीं है. So tigre. Tigre is
Tigre.
tiger. Same thing, सिर्फ
Tigre is tiger.
tiger. Okay. Next one, Shivangi.
Uniform.
Uniform. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? थोड़ा टफ है.
Uniform, sir.
भूल गए, रिवाइज ठीक से नहीं हुआ है. Soldier, yes, correct one. Soldier. So वहां से ये चलता हुआ आया है uniform. It has come from that place. Okay. The next one is Arpita.
Yes, sir. Wash.
Wash. मतलब
Cow.
cow.
Right?
Next is Nilesh.
Wagon.
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 Wagon is what? मतलब क्या लग रहा है?
Wagon is train.
नहीं. अभी आपका अगर इंग्लिश अच्छी है तो then you can find out. We have the same word in English. Wagon. I think in Muzaffarpur also we have something, some Bharat Wagon factory, something like that. Wagon. Wagon का मतलब होता है बॉगी, डब्बा. So wagon.
Okay, sir.
रेलवे का. Next one is Shivangi.
Xylophone.
Xylophone, same thing in English. Next one is Arpita.
Yacht.
It is
Small boat.
Yacht. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I think it is same spelling and word in English also. बहुत बार हम
Yes, sir. Same.
we call it yacht, Y-A-T-C-H, but that is wrong. The right word in English also is Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. But in English में टॉ होता है तो हम उसको yacht बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर yacht. And the last one is Nilesh. आपने म्यूट किया हुआ अपने आप को. प्लीज अनम्यूट.
Zebra.
Zebra. लास्ट
Zebra.
लास्ट के ई में एक्सेंट नहीं है. सो zebra. एंड इसका मतलब क्या
Zebra
होता है?
means zebra.
Zebra. Zebra is a wrong
Zebra.
pronunciation. इंग्लिश में हम उसको बोलते हैं zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra in English. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's it. That's it. आज
That's
इसे
the book.
नहीं दिया मैंने. Only the alphabet from. So
Yes.
what I will suggest, what I will request, if you can find out one word from your side. You have, you all
Okay, sir.
have a Google Translator. So कुछ भी common
Yes, sir.
आपको दिख रहे हैं, आपके दिमाग में आता है, you can find out the French word for that and make your own A to Z. Try to make. I'm not telling this thing. Whatever time you have, try to make your own alphabet with letters, with words. Okay. And then we have learned how to say goodbye, few phrases, how to greet people in French, few facts about France. That's it. Now, because we have still some time, any question from 1, 2, 3? Anything which is coming in your mind? Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we use D for droppy Francis?
Dropo, don't use complete one. So try
Okay,
to
sir.
find out what is the meaning of dropo. Dropo matlab ho gaya flag. Dropo français means
Yes.
French flag. So D for dropo, yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can. Just like that, you can make your
Sir,
alphabet. Yeah.
okay, sir. Yes.
Sir, if we have to
Sir,
say.
for P, we can use. Okay, sir. Let her speak.
ना तू पूछ ले.
Sir, for P, I think it's people or something for rain, right, sir? In French.
People for rain. I don't
People,
remember.
no, sir. I don't know what that exactly means. People or I don't know something
So-
like that.
So you do one thing. You make your alphabet from A to Z, right?
Yes.
And maybe in the next class, we can share and we can discuss. We all will learn
Yes,
new
sir.
words, right?
Yes.
So we all can share each other's alphabet and we can learn. Okay. Shivangi, your turn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was asking that if we have to say don't worry, all right. So how will say in French? Don't worry.
Don't worry. Uh, let me think. ये अभी तक मेरे दिमाग से आया कि नहीं? Don't worry. So first tell me the question. तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा फिर.
What's sir?
What will be the question? This is the answer, na?
Like-
Don't worry. हाँ.
Means
Sir, she's saying something about phrases like good morning, it's okay, bye bye, okay, okay, something like that. I hope. Right, Shivangi?
No,
Yes,
she's
yes.
asking how we have to say don't worry.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I'm-
In
Don't worry in French.
all right.
So I'm
Yes.
asking ki in which conversation we have to use this.
In normal conversation.
So you
like,
ask question in French. You ask question in French, and then I will tell you the answer in French.
have in French I can't answer.
So this is the problem. So you will ask question in English, and I have to give answer in French. This is not going to work, right? So
Okay.
right now, what we are discussing both. If this is the question, this is the answer.
Okay, sir.
We'll go in the same fashion. If you have any question in mind, this is the question in French, then tell me the answer, then I will tell the answer.
Okay, sir.
Means there is no specific word
Don't
for
make
don't
me
worry.
laugh.
See, I will tell you one thing that I am also, you can say, I am also revising. So if you'll ask me random questions, it's going to be tough for me to find out the answer because apart from this class, I am not discussing French with anyone else. Okay. The only benefit what I am having is that I can see a word and I can relate the pronunciation and I can remember it for a long time. So now today is our, I think, 14th class, batch 1, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever I have taught from 1 to 14, I remember all of them. Because already I have studied. So now the moment I will recall, it is going to be with me. But again, I will stop my French class after 1 year, you'll ask me, again, everything is gone. So this is a pure practice game. Same thing is going to happen with all of you, that if you are practicing, if you are keeping it alive, you are using these words in your English blog also, you can keep it. Otherwise, it will go away. So I think I have told again and again that all those words and phrases which you can use in English also, please use it. Like s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît you can use. Suppose you are writing a very nice essay in English, not in the exam, a formal essay you are writing maybe on a social media or somewhere else. You can easily write s'il vous plaît. That is going to make your writing skill stronger. Okay, if your audience is also sophisticated and learned, you can do that. So there are many words which are being used in English frequently. Avant-garde we have discussed. RSVP, we know that. One more thing is that very, very common is sans doute. I think I have told in one of my class also. Sans doute, without any doubt. Déjà vu. Déjà vu also is very popular, already seen. Rendezvous. Rendezvous means meeting. Rendezvous. So today I am going to meet my friend and it is going to be a much expected or much desired rendezvous. So there are a few phrases and words in France which is very, very popular in English also. And whatever word you want, you can use in English without any problem. So use it. When people will ask you, what is this word? I don't know. Then you can say it is a French word. It's okay. You can. Right. So we will meet at 8 o'clock, courtesy Shivangi, for our 14th session. And in that 14th session, Nilesh, you can also join that 14th session. It is good for you.
Yes.
We are doing at 8 o'clock. And today we will discuss in that next part of how to present, how to introduce ourselves or other ones. We will discuss adjective, and we will start now learning the verb forms. Very, very important. Verb forms.
Okay.
Right? So first person, second person, third person, singular, plural, and how we have to make sentence in that. So adjective, verb forms, more counting more numbers, and then how to present someone, how to present ourselves, second part of that. So it's going to be a very power-packed session at 8 o'clock. Fine then, see
Okay,
you
sir.
at 8 o'clock. Till then,
Okay,
bye-bye
sir.
and take care.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Sir,
Yes, Nilesh, you can ask. Others can leave. Nilesh will ask questions. Yes, Nilesh, tell me.
sir, what is the French language of people?
People. So what you want to say? What is your
Sir, can
sentence?
I speak in Hindi?
No, you can't speak in Hindi, Nilesh. You have to ask in English only. What is your sentence in English?
Means, sir, what we will say in French people?
So what is the sentence? Tell me. You will not say a word, na? You will say a sentence. What sentence you are going to speak?
I'm going to speak one sentence.
tell
What
me.
are you doing?
What are you doing? So where is people in
What
this?
we will
You're asking, see, you are asking two questions. Once you are asking what is the French of people, and then you are asking what are you doing? Both are two different
sir,
things.
Sir, my question is this: what we will say in the French language? What are you doing?
Okay. What are you doing? This one we have not discussed yet, because this we will discuss when we will start learning verbs. Okay. This we'll discuss when we will start learning verb. Means to do, to go, to come, to sleep, to sit, right? Right now we are discussing alphabet, the basic ones. So we'll go, Nilesh, step by step. First, we have learned ABCD in French. We will learn 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? We are learning the basic ones. Good morning, good evening, good night. And when we will learn the verb forms, then we will learn to how to make sentences. What are you doing? What are you eating? When you will come? When you will go? All these things. Right? We are not doing things random. Fine, Nilesh? So we have batch one session at 8 o'clock in the night. If you want, you can join that also. Right then,
That one, sir.
at 8 o'clock. So this is batch 2. This is a new batch, batch 2. Batch 1, we will have at 8 o'clock. Okay. Right then. Bye-bye, Nilesh. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Good night.